So if you have been posting on TikTok and you have been getting little to no views, you are probably doing it the wrong way. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to post the right way to go viral on TikTok. So for you to do this, you need to go to your TikTok. So now I've opened my TikTok. So if you're new on my channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on my channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if it worked for you. So for you to make post on TikTok, you need to go to the plus button you are seeing down here. So click on the plus button. So right here there are several buttons right here you get to explore. So you can see the first one says text. So it means if you want to write a text and post on TikTok, you get to like go for the first one. Can you see that, right? Awesome. So once you write your text here, you get to click on next and you get to post it. So the next thing says photo. So this photo means if you want to take a live picture of something and post on TikTok, that's when you get to like click this first one. Then we have the 15-second videos. If you want to take a 15-second video, if you want to take a 60-second video, and you can take as much as a 10-minute video. Can you see that? So aside that, we have all these other ones which are templates. If you want to use any of these templates, can you see? So we don't use any of them. So that's how those ones work. So right now, what you want to do at this point is, let's assume you already have what you want to post on TikTok. Just come down here to click on this. It takes you straight to your gallery. So once I click on that, I get to choose what I want to post. So let's assume I want to post this lady's picture over here. So I'll get to click on next. So once you click on next, then another set of features come up right here. This same feature you are seeing here, it applies to those ones you saw earlier. So and they all have their several usefulness. This first one is if you want to edit it so that it looks like a video, you get to click the first one. And if you click on the second one, you get to like change the background of your picture. So right here, can you see? These are all the background you can choose. If you tap on any of them, then the background of this picture changes. Then we have the third one, which is if you want the image to start moving, like you want it to be animated for you. Then this one is when you want to add text. You can see where we have capital letter A and small letter A. Then the fifth one is for you to add stickers. So once I click on that, you get to see several stickers. Can you see? So you can get to choose any sticker you want right here. Then the next one is if you want to add an effect to your picture, you get to click on the next. And this one right here is if you want to add filter. And you can also click the drop down arrow to see more features. So once I click on that, you get to see more features. Can you see? We have crop, we have audios, we have voice in case you want to add a voice to the image, and also if you want to save it after you've done all the editing. Can you see? They are all written here. All what we said are all written here. So once you're done with all this editing, then you go ahead and click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, over here you have to add a title. Can you see? So once you add your title right here, then you add a short description of what your stuff is all about. And you can also add hashtag by clicking on this hashtag right here. So once you're done adding your hashtag, you can mention someone by clicking on this art right here. And if you want some description ideas, you can make use of this feature. It's a new feature on TikTok. If you want some ideas to be generated for you using AI, you get to use this feature. So once you're done with this part, so right here, you can add a location. If you want to add the location of your post or where you are posting from, you can add a link. And you can also set this if you want just your friends to view it or you want everyone to view it. And if you want only you to view it, you get to choose only you. Can you see that? And you can click more options. So let's click more options. So you can see what we have here. So you ensure that this button are turned on, especially this one that says allow comments, so that people will get to like comment on what you posted. So once you're done with everything you need to put in, then you go ahead and click on post. So once I click on post, it's already posting and it is done posting. So let me go to my profile. Can you see? The picture is right here on my profile. So that's basically how I get like post on TikTok. So I believe you got value. If you did, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you're able to do this correctly. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.